Hello friends, so there is a vacancy for the scientist B post in the DRDO. The total number of vacancies are 167 vacancies and the closing date is July 10th 2020. In this particular online application is mandatory. You just need to go through with the website, this particular website, DRDO website, drdo.government.in. Okay, so friends, you will get decent salary of 80,000 per month here, which is mentioned. Friends, there are various disciplines like electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering. They just have essential qualification. There are for the electronics and communication engineering, total vacancies are 37, and for that essential qualification is just you have at least a first class bachelor degree in engineering. Okay, again they required again two, either you have a GATE qualification, or if you are the person from the IIT or the NIT, you have at least 80% aggregate. Then and then only you can easily apply for this post. The second post, the 35 posts are there for the mechanical engineers. Okay, and again the same criteria. The criteria is that you should have at least a first class. Okay, and again the two criteria, that is GATE qualification. You at least you qualified the GATE, or if you are the guy from the IIT or NIT, you can just apply for this post. The third, which is for the computer science and engineering, for that total number of vacancies are 31 vacancies. Essential qualification criteria, all the things are same as for the rest of the thing. Okay, right now the fourth one, that is electrical engineering. For the electric engineering, total number of vacancies are 12. Essential qualification is the same, like 60% first class, and again there's a GATE qualification. But in the part second, the important part is the recruitment in the discipline mentioned below will be based on the valid GATE score and the personal interview. This is important. Okay, the fifth vacancy for the material science and engineering, meteorological engineering, there are total number of vacancies are 10. Essential qualification is the same, like 60% first class. GATE qualification, you should have a valid GATE score. So friends, for the discipline physics, there are total number of vacancies are 8. Essential qualification, at least you have first class in the physics from a recognized university or equivalent. Okay, and also you have a valid GATE score, then and then only you can apply for this post. The seventh one is for the chemistry guys. The total number of vacancies are 7. Essential qualification same for the first class, but you should have a first class master degree, then valid GATE score same. For the number 8 position, it is chemical engineering students. The chemical engineering students who have completed their bachelor's degree with 60%, or we can say at least a first class. Okay, again they should have a valid GATE score same. Okay, so friends, the number 9 is aeronautical engineering. Okay, for the aeronautical engineering, the total number of vacancies are 4, and the valid we should require valid GATE score as well as the first class same. Number 10th is for the mathematics. In the mathematics, there are total number of posts are 4. For that you required a first class in master degree in mathematics and valid GATE score as per the requirement. For the number 11, that is civil engineering, the total number of vacancies are 3. The vacancies are less for the civil engineering, but the package that you will get, it is really good. Right now valid GATE score as well as you required first class same. In the third one, part third, that the recruitment in the discipline mentioned below will be based on the aggregate percentage of the marks in unity and personal interview. Okay, for the psychology, you can see there are total number of vacancies are 10. Essential qualification for this is at least first class master degree in psychology from a recognized university or equivalent, and there is a not a GATE, but there is a NET qualification. Okay, the NET exam for eligibility to assistant professorship in psychology. Okay, so I will provide a link in the description box for this particular PDF. You can just go through that and just read all the remaining things. Okay, again I just want to clarify you that those who are appearing or have appeared in the final year semester examination, or who final examination have been delayed, they are also can able to apply for this post. That's the main. Okay.